this week.
Digistore24! Yeah!
Okay. Okay. So guys, $1,200 he has earned this week, and how he has earned this amount I will show you in this video. So first of all, if you don't know about Digistore24, so I can tell you that Digistore24 is a platform, is a affiliate platform where you can promote digital, physical or multiple products to someone, and when someone will buy product from your affiliate link, you will get commission. So this is the dashboard, and this is the website of Digistore24. You will simply click over here on register now, and you will simply fill up the form, username, email address, password, repeat password, and you can see 2 million global active users, 2 billion USD paid out, and 10,000 plus affiliates trust Digistore24. So you can create your account within 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and after that you will simply log in and you will go to the marketplace of Digistore24. And now you can see the categories of Digistore24, and animal and pets, pets and system, business and investment, computer, internet, dance and music, dating, love and relationship, email marketing, education, and there are a lot of categories on Digistore24. So we will pick the category and we will pick the product from here. He has just used different methods and multiple products, but definitely in this video I will ask him which product he promoted a lot of time, and he got this type of sales, right? So for example, we will go to the market category like animal and pets, and here you can see the keto bread, pasta, pizza collection. You will get $4, but guys, one thing I will tell you in this video that don't think that if the product getting low, if you get low commission on that particular product, so that doesn't mean that you will not earn this type of amount. You can earn this type of amount if your sales are high. So for example, 90% commission ketogenic diet 101, around $11 commission you will get if someone will buy product from your affiliate link. So for example, he already explained me that he has promoted this product, and I will definitely tell you that how you can promote this product, but the method I will ask from this person that which method he has used to earn this type of amount, and he recently started Digistore24. So guys, this is the categories of Digistore24 to promote your affiliate links, but this is not compulsory to stick on some one category. You can join multiple categories, you can promote multiple products, and you can uh, simply you can use multiple methods to earn money online with Digistore24. So for example, I randomly selected animal and pets, and but this person has used this product. I will ask him, so you have used this product, I mean you have promoted this product.
Oh yes, I have promoted many products, and this product of food and
High
hygiene.
ticket products, this is the most high ticket product.
Yes, it is. It's on the first priority of people.
So okay guys, so this is the main product which he has promoted. Nobody's tell their niches, but on this channel we also reveal our niches as well, because we have no issue, no problem. We are earning on internet, and we are earning from Digistore24 affiliate marketing and multiple methods. We have no issue, we have no problem to reveal our niches, reveal our earnings. No problem, there is no problem. The purpose of this channel is to help you and give you the value and make you eligible and able to earn money online. So we have no shortage of money. We are earning handsome amount on internet. We are earning, you can see that, $1200 so in this week only. So this is not a big deal. We are earning, we are earning. So we just want you to earn money online, okay? And there are a lot of our subscribers, my subscriber, okay, my subscribers are, there are a lot of messages I get on Instagram, that people earning after watching my videos and playlists as well. He has uh, implemented the method, he took the action, and that's why he gets results, uh, and also got the results as well. So $11 if you promote this product. And how you will simply promote this product, I'll ask first question, that uh, which type of which platform you use for to promote this product.
Actually, I use Quora for it, and I have Insta, I have Facebook. In fact, I have many other websites also where I usually promote these kind of products.
Move to the method that we will go to the Quora. And here you can see that this is the website of Quora. You will create your account within 5 minutes. Guys, if you are new, kindly check my Digistore24 playlist, so you will know that how to create landing pages, how to use Quora, how to use Chat GPT, how to use AI tools to promote your affiliate products. Because if you only gonna stuck on this video and ask me that how to create landing page, how to do this thing, so that will be very hurdle and very hard for me to explain each and everything in one video. So other people will get distracted and they will say that you are repeating one thing again and again. So Quora, you will go to the Quora, and you will simply copy the title from here, ketogenic diet 101, for example. So I will move here and will search over here, and I will click over here. Okay, so what is ketogenic diet 101? You will click simply over here, and my system is getting slow, I don't know why. So we will select some. Okay, so after that you will click over the answer, what is ketogenic diet 101 answer. On the click, you will click over here and you will put your answer over here with your landing page. Keep in mind that you will not put your direct affiliate link over here, you will use your landing page, okay? And the one thing is, how you will generate your answer, which AI tool you use for to give answers on Quora, which AI tool you use to generate answers for Quora.
It is ChatGPT because it's highly professional and easy to use. So yes, if any person is new in it, so he can use ChatGPT for to generate the answers.
Guys, you can use ChatGPT for this, and simply you will go to the website called ChatGPT, and everyone knows ChatGPT. If you are beginner and watching first time my video, you will also know that ChatGPT. You will click over here on ChatGPT and you can generate your answer. Very simple. You will simply go there and you will write what is ketogenic diet 101, and you can modify it, give me the answer for Quora. That's it. And you will get the answer, and you will click over here, you will simply put the answer over here. And for the landing page, he used Google Sites. Very simple, everyone knows that Google Sites is so popular for creating landing pages. You will click over here on Google Sites, click on the blank. Guys, I'm showing all free methods, I'm not talking about any kind of paid method in this video. And usually I'm not talking about any kind of paid method. If I earn, if he earns, if my subscriber earns, if any person earns and message me on Instagram, they all used 90% free methods. You will go to the Google Sites and you will simply create your landing page. and simply you will get the landing page link from here, and that's it. He used this technique and earned this amount in front of you. I'm just asking this question for you, that which advice you suggest them to do something and make money online as like you.
A good question, Bilal. Actually, most of the people just find shortcuts for it because they just want that they want a procedure in which they can earn $10,000, $5,000, $4,000 in just one day. It's not possible. To be honest, it's not possible for anyone because you have to give time to your work, and this thing that is quite important and necessary is that you whatever work you are doing, be patient, and then you will get the results. You have to find the consistency, and you have to give it. But most of the people they are least bothered in it, so I'll suggest them to give time what on whatever work they are doing. Just do it.
No, nobody can be rich in overnight. This is not possible. So you will have to work little bit for yourself. This channel is for encourage you to make money online. So our purpose is to giving you the value and the path and the roadmap to make money. No, I cannot do your work and you cannot do my work. So I can just show you the right path, right road, but you will do by yourself. This is the method which I have discussed in this video, that you can uh, give the answers on Quora. You will put the landing pages, give the value to the users, and whenever they buy the product from your affiliate link, you will get the commission, and that's it. So this is the simple formula which I have explained. But as well as, don't stick on single platform like you will stick on the Quora. No, use Quora, Instagram, Facebook. No, I mean, there are a lot of places that they can promote their affiliate links on multiple method, article biz, medium, blogging sites. If you have a hosting, you can create your website as well. And there are multiple, I mean, hundreds, there are 100 free platforms you can use to promote your affiliate links. This is the strategy. Okay, so hope this video will become a very helpful for you, or if you have any kind of question, you can ask me in comments. I will definitely give you the answer. So till now, take care.